guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing the last series of the dog set. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll be making this really cute hazel dog. I haven't got a name for him or her yet, so yeah, hopefully I'll get inspiration one day and find a name. So what you'll need to make this really cute dog is tape or glue. I'm going to use glue today because I haven't done that at all. And you'll need your scissors, and do be careful because scissors can be sharp. And you can need your template, obviously. You can get it from my website, as this is a premium. You can get it for 20p as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right in now. So by taking your scissors, you're going to want to cut out everything. Okay, so now that I've cut out all of them, well, I won't be needing scissors anymore because I'm using glue, but if you're using tape, then yes, you would be needing scissors. So what you need to do now is fold all the tabs and everything down. Okay, once you've folded up everything, you're going to get your glue or tape and you're just going to start putting tabs together. Well, now the main parts are all done, you just need to take the head, and where these two dots here, you're just going to put them like this. And with the ears, they're folded back like this, and you're just going to put them on the corner so it goes like this. Okay, so that's done. Problem is, I think I've lost the tongue. Might just be camouflaging to the background as well. Oh, here it is. This is the tongue, okay. So you're just gonna glue it on. And this is this hazel puppy finished. I'll come up with a much better name than hazel puppy. So front, side, back and side again. I think I'm definitely going to use glue again, because with tape you see the tape marks, but then glue it looks all clean and finished. So yeah, this was so fun making as well. Remember, you can buy this template for 20p as the premium pack, and members get 10% off first order. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks.